Hello there everyone, this is Sumaya and welcome back to this channel. I know it's been so long that I have posted, but finally I'm here now. So today I'm going to show you guys this look that I'm wearing right now. It's really fun and easy to do, and I have used my palette today in this look, and this is collaborated with Lola Cosmetics and my name right here. So it's a really fun palette. As you can see, it has 18 shades. And it is really a versatile palette. You can create a lot of looks using this. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm already done my base makeup and primed my eyelid. And now I'm applying some loose powder under my eyes to prevent any fallout. Then from my palette, I'm taking this light pink shadow as my transition color and applying on my crease area and blending it very well. Then I'm going in with this purple matte shadow and applying on my outer crease area and blending it with my transition shade. Then taking this light pink shimmery shadow and applying on my eyelid, and I did wet my brush before applying the shadow. And then I'm going over and blending all the shadows together. Now I'm taking the same shadows and applying on my lower lash line. So here to pop up my inner eye corner, I'm taking this teal blue color and this aqua shade from my palette and applying on my inner eye corner. So for my lashes, I'm taking this Lola Cosmetics Goddess lashes, and these are really amazing and mink lashes. As you can see, it looks really dramatic and gorgeous. And I'm taking this Lola lash glue to put on my lashes. Then I'm going back to my face makeup, and first I'm applying this beautiful blush from Inglot, and I'll put the name down below on my description box. Then as my highlighter, I'm taking this Lola Cosmetics Glow Dust highlighter in the shade Peach Petal. Then I'm taking this Lola Cosmetics Signature Lip Paint in the shade Rose, and I think this color complements the look very well. Then I'm spraying some setting spray to finish off my makeup. So yeah, this was the video. I really hope you all liked it. So if you like, then please don't forget to share and comment. And I'm going to see you all in my next video. So till then, take care and lots of love.